process of removal waste substances out of the body produced during metabolic activities is known as excretion. The summation of all biochemical reactions carried out in living cells is known as metabolism. Different excretory materials are excreted through different organs. Lungs remove carbon dioxide and water vapor from the body through respiration. Skin removes urea, salt and excess water through sweat. Kidneys remove urine through filtration and urination. The main organ that carries out nitrogenous excretion is the kidney. A pair of kidneys and the other organs are organized to form urinary system. The main parts of the urinary system are pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs found in vertebrates. They receive blood from the pair of renal arteries and blood is sent away through the pair of renal veins. The structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. Nephron is microscopic and there are about 1 million of them in a kidney. The nephron consists with glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, proximum convoluted tubule, Henle's loop, distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. There are three main steps of urine formation. They are glomerular filtration, selective reabsorption and secretion. These processes ensure that only waste and excess water are removed from the body. Ultrafiltration. Each apparent arteriole enters into each Bowman's capsule where they further divide forming a dense network of capillaries. It is known as glomerulus. The blood flow through the glomerulus is having a high blood pressure because the diameter of apparent arteriole is smaller than diameter of apparent arteriole. So, blood gets filtered through the wall of glomerulus and the inner wall of the Bowman's capsule and get collected into the cavity of Bowman's capsule. This process is known as ultrafiltration. This filtered fluid is referred as glomerular filtrate. Large molecules like plasma proteins and blood cells are not filtered into the glomerular filtrate. Glomerular filtrate is as same as blood plasma. So the components of the glomerular filtrate are water, glucose, amino acids, vitamins, medicine, various ions, hormones and urea. When glomerular filtrate moves along the nephron, most of the components absorb again into the blood capillaries associated with nephron. This is called selective reabsorption. 90% of water, all glucose, part of amino acids, vitamins, salts, urea and uric acid and medicine reabsorb into blood. The composition of glomerular filtrate change with selective reabsorption and then we call glomerular filtrate as urine. Urine is released into collecting ducts and then to the pelvis. The volume of glomerular filtrate formed during 1 minute in a healthy adult is about 120 cubic centimeters. But 95% of the glomerular filtrate reabsorb when it moves along the nephron. 100% of glucose is reabsorbed in a healthy adult. But in diabetic patients, glucose is not totally reabsorbed. The remaining glucose is released with urine. Some of the materials in the blood capillaries associated with the nephron are secreted into the tubules of nephron. We call this process as secretion. Some of the secretory materials are hydrogen ions, potassium ions, ammonium ions, creatinine, medicine, and vitamin B. The produced urine released into the pelvis is transported along ureters into bladder and is temporarily stored in bladder. Release of urine takes place according to the need of urination. The urine of a healthy person composed with 96% of water, 0.2% of salts, 0.2% of urea, traces of uric acid and creatinine. Now we are going to learn about some diseases associated with urinary system. Renal failure. Kidney failure is the last stage of chronic kidney disease. When your kidneys fail, it means they have stopped working well enough for you to survive without dialysis or a kidney transplant. Infections by microorganisms, heavy metals like mercury and arsenic, various medicine and carbon tetrachloride cause renal failure. Nephritis. Nephritis or swelling of kidney occurs due to infections and toxins. Infections in ureters and other changes that occur in the body are reasons for nephritis. There are instances where red blood cells and proteins pass into glomerulus filtrate due to changes occur in glomerulus. Medical advice should be taken immediately for this condition. Calculi in kidney and bladder. Crystallization of calcium oxalate in kidney and bladder is the reason for this condition. When these stones block ureters, a terrible pain would occur. The removal of these stones can be done by drugs or a surgery.